go. See if crack the code once more. Nope. I'm back. I just disconnected batteries, plug them back up. Let's see if I crack the code, people. Let's see what's up. The Da Vinci Code. See, that's what it's supposed to sound like when you start it up, right? And we got the cup in the back so it could blow it off, so you can see the EDF is working, if it works, right? Ooh, killer, Cali, killer, woo. So that's what's supposed to be happening out in the streets, people. You see, once I'm at neutral throttle, the EDF is at 50%, and then once I go past neutral, I start engaging the wheel motor, right? So why is it working now when it's not like, Conclusion, it's a shitty soldering job on the 6S battery that's powering the ESC and the EDF. So new connectors got to go on the 6S battery. Final conclusion. And I don't know what's up with the wheel motor. You see it's working now. It works when I put it on the floor here and test it around, drop it. You know, when I get out to the spots, it always messes up. So gonna need a new wheel motor for this car too, probably, because I'm sick of like the hassles of everything. So tomorrow we're gonna take out the J3, and fingers crossed that one should run good, no problem. So here we go again.
Son of a bitch!